blues has got me, and I have to make a brand new start. Nothing I can do to please you, babe. So I guess we have to part.
Okay, hello guys. So today I'm done with this apx500ii model. So the main complaint is when he plays G, there's a buzzing sound. He says there's a buzzing sound every time he's playing this G. I actually find a few things. Number one is because the slot here is a bit shallow. So what I did was I actually deepened the slot. Typically on this model, they just rim out the hole, but they don't have like a slot to actually guide the string downwards towards the bottom plate of the bridge itself. So I saw it down, then create a ramp to actually help guide the strings. The buzzing is a bit lesser. I believe is, to my ears, is no buzzing. But the other thing that he needs to watch out for is, this one is fairly common. If you play your G something like this, typically I play closer to the fret wire, right? Some people call this sweet spot. Some people, for me, this is how I try to eliminate any other buzzing. So it acts like when you fret, but it's also acting like you are muting the strings. So yeah, but if you go further back, further away from the fret itself, then it might cause some buzzing either up here or at the bottom here. So don't know if you can hear it, but sometimes you can hear it quite clearly, sometimes you cannot. This one is up to individual hearing. Can you hear that? It buzzes a bit more. So my advice is, if you are playing your chords, make sure you press it closer to the fret wire. Of course, not over or not over, but close enough to the next fret, closer to the fret wires. Okay, by the way, if you don't know what is fret wire is the silver thing. Fret refers to the box itself. Alright, so yeah, so those are my few tips if you want to keep the buzzing to a minimal. Other than that, yeah, so this guitar actually received a setup. Actually lowered down the saddle as well. So right now it's within spec. Typically I will use Sweetwater specs, factory specs, to actually use as a reference guide. If you can go lower, I would have to go lower, but if you cannot, then I will maintain as per spec itself. So yeah, sounds good now. Okay, now without the M. Let me just go closer. Okay, good. Okay, so it's all good. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you need my help, you can contact me on WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.